Okay guys, I've got something really cool here I want to show you. Let me put the camera down real quick and then I want to ask you guys a quick question. So, if you're like me, do you like tools that are accurate but inexpensive, affordable? This, I would say, is very accurate. Affordable, it's a bit expensive, it's $100. Compared to this, I paid just a little over $11 brand new at Lowe's. Now, you can find these at garage sales. You can find them for a lot less. So why am I recommending a framing square? Now let's take a look at a couple of things here. This is 8 by 12 inches, which is nice. It's not a bad size at all. But when you're working with a larger panel, you know, what if you have undulations or the surface isn't consistent? And so you're getting it to look like it's 90, but maybe it actually isn't. Well, when you have a large reference surface like this right here, you can see, okay, this is really level, this is really perpendicular, or it isn't. And that was not. So I can see things that I just wouldn't see otherwise on a much smaller square. Now another thing you're gonna use a square for all the time is striking lines. So I just simply take this right here, butt it against the edge, and I strike a line. But there's a problem. This thing is not very big. In fact, I think we're like maybe 10.5 inches or so. For this right here, we have 14 inches. So I can, again, butt it up against here, and then I can strike a line all the way across my surface. And I have a much wider panel. I can go this way, still get a much larger reference area, and strike my lines. So, you know, there's all kind of information on here. So it could be for fine woodworking, for timber framing, for regular framing. There's so many different uses, even for cabinet making. You know, sometimes you're trying to figure out, for example, is my cabinet square? Well, you simply take it right here, and let's say this is the outside of the cabinet carcass. Well, now you can see if it's off or not. So these are really great to check, much bigger casework and everything. And again, you're not paying $100. By the way, I do recommend this. I think it's a great thing. But if you're a beginner on a budget, even if you have these, I still recommend getting yourself a carpenter square. It's just a very versatile tool. Now, I like mine in orange because I usually hang them up here near me, but I don't like hitting my face in it. So if I figure, okay, if it's orange, I probably won't hit myself very much. But, you know, get them in whatever color you prefer. Milwaukee makes a nice red one. Hey, there you go. Milwaukee makes one $25. It's red, just like the woodpeckers, and it has a couple more functions. So hopefully this helps you guys. And next time you see one of these, pick one up, use it. I think you'll like it.